like on these days we were revising the lessons 1, 2, 3, 4, and today will fifth lessons revision will start. Whenever I am reading, you please open your class book and you to start repeating in your mind, right? Open your textbook and class book also. Shall we start reading the question and answers? Okay, then after that, after reading the question and answers, you have the objective type also written in the textbook, that also you can open and see. And for the diagram practice, that is you can do the diagram practice of tongue 224, that is page number, and I is 220 page numbers. These are the page numbers. Right, now shall we start reading the question and answer? What are sense organs? Name the 5 organs. The senses help us to see, hear, smell, taste and feel. They help us to know the world around us. We have 5 sense organs that collect information and then send it to the brain. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Second question, write 3 ways in which you take care of your eyes. Answer, eyes are very delicate organs. We must take care of our eyes in 3 ways. They are, wash your eyes with cold water every morning. Always read in bright light. Second point is, when dust falls into your eyes, do not rub like this. Wash it with clean water. Third point, plenty of water, plenty of carrots, papaya and leafy vegetables. They keep your eyes healthy. Third question, what are the 3 parts of ears? What are the 3 parts of ears? The 3 parts of ears are, the part that is visible is the outer ear. Next to it is the middle ear, which has the eardrum. The eardrum is the most important part of your ear. Third is, next to the middle ear is the inner ear. How do taste buds help you? When we eat something, the taste buds send information to the brain. The brain then tells the taste or flavor of the food we eat. Taste buds help us enjoy the taste of different kinds of food. Now, fifth question. Write 5 ways in which you take care of your skin. Answer, I wash with soap and water and keep the skin clean and dry. Second is, I apply cold cream in winter to prevent the skin from getting dry. Third point is, I wear hat when I go out in the hot sun. Fourth point is, I eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. And fifth point is, I drink plenty of water. These are very important points. We must follow it. Now, open your textbook. We'll do objective type, page number 228. And see this, which sense organ help you know these? Tea is hot, skin. The medicine is bitter, tongue. Your mother is baking cake, nose. The apples are red, eyes. There is a lot of noise, your ears. Now you can see this, fill in the blanks also, taking the help of this help desk. The inner layer of the ear of the skin is called a dermis. The two holes in the nose are called nostrils. The most important part of the ear is eardrum. The dash means eyelids sweep away dust from the surface of the eye. The largest organ in the human body is the skin. These are the 5 fill in the blanks, which is very important. And the eye. See, the diagram of eye is like this. You have to practice this, and the back side on the page number 220 also the same diagram is there, which is labeled diagram, and here the diagram was given. We have labeled the parts of the eye. Now here match the following is also there, which you can do it easily by reading it. Okay. With this we have completed the lesson number 1 revision. Please go through it and by heart the question answers.